Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly turn off your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off your PS5, but you're not exactly sure how to do so. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now, what some people might do is that they actually might just unplug the PS5, but that actually might lead to corrupted data or basically unsaved data on your PS5. So I definitely don't recommend doing that. Now, the next thing is that in order to actually go ahead and properly turn it off, you want to go ahead and find the power button. So with the power button, which is right over here, you want to go ahead and press it once and then press it again until you hear a beep. So if you press it once, that's the first beep, and then that's the second beep. So you can see right there, preparing to turn off your PS5, don't unplug the AC power, and now our PS5 has turned off. So just to repeat myself once again, all you've got to do is press and hold down the power button, and then you're going to hear it beep once, and then you're going to hear it beep a second time, and then that right there is going to go ahead and turn off your PS5. But there you have it, guys. That right there is how to properly go ahead and turn off your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.